Look, lady, whatever you're selling, I ain't buying, yo.
Well, my name is Skylar White, yo. My husband is Walter White, yo. He told me everything.
Bro, the real Skylar White, yo.
I ain't seen this since 2021.
A legend has come.
Hold up.
1, 2, 3. Call. Guys.
Does he have a tutorial on how to become visible?
All fun and games till the dad walks in.
Guys, it is false. If it was real, the egg would be black.
Why is this guy not popular?
Michael Texan.
There's a snake in my boot.
Moonwalk. Texan walk.
Moon don't walk.
Guess the state.
What is bro training for?
Bro's training to fight Optimus Prime.
Half-Life crowbar sound.
Pain versus pain.
We already know who rings the church bells.
This is my first impression of you between.
Whatever pays the bills.
Bills are too high.
Just turn him into GIF.
What the hell?
That's no edit, by the way. He just can do this if he wants.
Where is the real one?
It sounds like Clash of Clans troops turning into Elixir.
People thinking it's a filter.
The army grows.
P-L-E, apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Ka. That's a disappear. That's a disappear. He's an apple.
Bro, just turn off the light.
What? How did he do that?
How is bro farting through his armpit?
Oh my God!
Clear your throat.
Bro just cough.
Heavy smoking.
Speaking like T.S. Hurt.
It's time to drink water.
Depends on the whoa, hey.
Why did blood only have torches?
1 frame per sometimes.
Bro, how long has it been a torch farm?
Huh?
Even my phone got stuck.
What the hell?
Iron sharpening iron.
Daily reminder not to fight strangers.
They preparing for the Viltrumite War.
Billy Butcher childhood be like,
Now the face.
Let me try that.
sadly bro flipped. My condolences.
Did you lag or something?
Bro being owl than owl itself.
Not this again at 3 a.m.
George, is that you?
How can someone achieve this power?
That's a real man's talent.
Genius.
Bro has 8 years experience.
May I give that guitar back to who it belongs to?
Finally found the original version.
Haters will say AI.
The song started before he could even play.
Not quite my tempo.
Bro hyped himself up for no reason.
He don't know what the hell he doing.
I'm not proud of how many times I watched this.
His pride and greed are what brought him to his demise.
Nah, that's gotta be a dude in a suit.
Bro is in that mobile game where you have to save them from the freezing.
Best morning in Chengdu, China.
When it shows the villain's life after the end of the film.
Early AI-generated videos be like,
Final Destination Tamil.
You never know what's going on inside someone's home.
The chain stays on during hydraulic press.
Third apple almost took him out.
I knew I couldn't take every job.
Brother, you don't have to do this. LOL.
I am the watermelon Pepsi Cola head man. I am the watermelon hot dog Pepsi Cola head man.
Blink if you feel unsafe.
Unc, I believe you. Please stop.
This is me after a few drinks.
Do you all see the juice drip down his forehead?
I built this page brick by brick.
Worth the wait.
We got GTA 6 leak before GTA 6.
GTA 0.6.
Guys, this is not GTA 6.
Average one-piece characters.
How much is the big one?
So many different archetypes here.
The oiled one thinks he is the main character.
That lemonaded guy with goggles on.
TS is so deep, man.
Knowledge so sacred it got redacted.
Words of gold.
Hey, bartender?
What can I get for you?
An angel shot, please.
Who?
Blue shirt is being aggressive.
Don't worry about it. I'll handle it.
Thank you.
You go have fun.
It's enough effect, bro.
Recording in silence, by the way.
Blue shirt about to get turned into dust.
I need an angel shot as well, please.
Bro's dipping deep in that socket.